Hi guys, it's Majesty Bianca here with the Financial Drive Through, where I take you through the world of cryptocurrencies, online investing, and pretty much everything going on in the space right now. Now, it's good to point out that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything that I say and do on this channel is based off of my own research and my own personal bias. So I do encourage you to take some courses, do some research, and basically find out everything that you get involved with in crypto is right for you. So I just turned on my PC right now, and it's a bloodbath in Bitcoin today. Let's take a quick look at the chart, see what we have there. So this is a 4-hour time frame for BTCUSD, and as you can see, we've basically just been dipping. So each of these candlesticks represents 4 hours. That's what the time frame means. And so all day pretty much we've been seeing the dips. So hopefully it sits on supports at 7,738, what I've marked around. So somewhere within this range. Anyways, I expect there to be some support. But on the off chance that this does break through, I actually believe we're going all the way down to the very next one. There actually isn't any particular reason that I can think of that's causing this dip right now. But anyways, let's see what it looks like in the markets. So over to coin market cap, I'm going to refresh so I get up-to-date info. It's just red all across the board. Bitcoin is down minus 4.56. Ethereum is down 6%. Ripple is down also just over 4%. Bitcoin Cash, EOS took a double-digit hit, minus 10.83. Cardano had the same. Tether, naturally, when everybody else is going down, Tether usually gets into the green, because what most people do is they move from their regular altcoins or Bitcoin into Tether and then try and hold and leverage the dip. Now, Binance Coin is up 2.15%. We're going to talk about why that is, and all the things that's going on today. But let's take a look at the news and see what we have here. First headline for today: Bitcoin slips below 8,000, and ouch, it's still going down. So here they say over the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin has held its head, maintaining close to 8,200, with only one significant scare that came on Thursday the 26th when the SEC denied the ETF. We spoke about that yesterday. Apparently the same scare crept back into the market on Monday the 30th, but again the market proved fearless. So what happened today? This is what we need to understand, because right now it's dipping. Everybody that held on yesterday is selling. So currently Bitcoin's dominance is at above 47%, which some, actually we could check that. Right now Bitcoin dominance is at 48.2%, and we have a total market cap of about $276.8 billion. Many experts believe that this is the moment when Bitcoin makes it or breaks it. So I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube. People are talking about actually, let me show it. See what people think about that. So I'm going to go over to the daily. And there's this theory that says if the market fails to rally completely into this bull run and dips again all the way over here, we have this mark where Bitcoin met its bottom, and then it came back up again and tried a bull run here. It failed, met its bottom once again. Same thing happened, met its bottom once again. So there are people that have the opinion that if this happens again one more time and comes all the way down here and hits the bottom, that Bitcoin is going to go all the way to really old-time lows, so probably around the 2,000, 3,000 range altogether, because people are tired. That's one thing for sure. People are tired of anticipating the market and trying to get things in there. I mean, everybody is sad in the bear market, right? Except you're shorting Bitcoin. So I can just imagine a bunch of people shorted Bitcoin on BitMEX today and brought this up, because I've actually looked around and I haven't seen any reason for this. So yeah, anyways, that's what is happening with the price of Bitcoin. Here they say if it maintains this bullish run, all will be well, and Bitcoin might end up achieving even more than it has ever. Now, however, experts are also starting to see that the Bitcoin is running out of opportunities to redeem itself. If this bullish market is unable to keep Bitcoin soaring, the next bearish trend might be what breaks Bitcoin. Nonetheless, every indication thus far shows the prospect of a bullish market. So let me know what you think. What do you think about the price of Bitcoin? If you're into any form of technical analysis, I would love to see your posts and just, all your projections, and so we can actually talk about those on the channel sometime. So the next headline here, Justin Sun announces that TRON will be doing an airdrop for the community. And so I'm going to put a link to this in the details section of the video, so anybody who wants to participate in this can actually check it out and try it. So the airdrop will actually go until the 3rd of August, and at present there are about 3,547 entrants already. The rules of participating in the airdrop: 1 point for following Justin on Twitter, 1 point for retweeting his post, 1 point for following the TRON Foundation on IG, and 1 point for each participant participating by using the user's referral code. So yeah, it's one of those things. So TRON supporters, that's a good one. TRON's in the news a lot lately, right? Take a look at John McAfee. He announced a new privacy-focused smartphone and app store based on the blockchain. He says he's very proud of his colleagues at Blackout Mobile and Team McAfee. The world has officially become one step closer of having the luxury of privacy. The Cloak Phone has officially arrived, and based on his original design for the ultimate private smartphone. And there's a link to the website over here. I've opened that up so we can actually take a look. They're offering early access to the Cloak. Delivery date is 2nd quarter 2019. So this is what the phone looks like. Of course. I don't know, I kind of think of him like the Trump of crypto, but okay. So you can check out the website. There will be a link in the details section of the video. And he did this really interesting thing. He puts up the Apple iPhone, the Samsung Galaxy, and the Google Pixel phones, and talks about reasons why your privacy is compromised on these phones. So yeah, way to stick it to him. Interestingly, no more detail about the Cloak Phone and Blackout Store is available right now, as both of them are yet to be launched. But those who want to get early access to this stuff can show their interest by submitting their contact information from a form on the Cloak Phone's website. And it's bad news for the South Korean market. South Korean crypto exchanges may soon lose tax benefits. Cryptocurrency exchanges will no longer be categorized under the category of small and medium enterprises, SMEs as they're more commonly known, rendering them ineligible to claim a tax cut of up to 100%. So while the government doesn't plan on depriving blockchain startups of these benefits, they indicated that the startups working on research and development in the country could also claim these tax benefits still. So they're looking at that as a move that shows the government's interest in promoting emerging technologies in the country. So depending on the targets of all these cryptocurrency businesses, there is still a way to get around these things. But Uncle Sam's coming. I found this headline particularly nice. The first regulated crypto exchange to open for testing. So apparently Liechtenstein's based blocktrade.com has been granted approval by the Financial Markets Authority. Now, the FMA is a member of the European Securities and Markets Authority, ESMA, and it's said to be the first regulated exchange to open for beta testing. Now, blocktrade.com exchange will trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin and Ripple later on, and it will also offer crypto traded indices, security tokens, tokenized assets, which will be added gradually in 2018. And the exchange is now open for registration and is expected to roll out fully in September. So that's a lot of good news, because this kind of information, I believe, would kind of push the SEC further in the direction of a Bitcoin ETF or multi-coin ETFs. So here we have comments from the CEO of blocktrade.com, Luca Gubo. Hope I didn't kill his name. And he says this is an ideal way for regulators across Europe to recognize cryptocurrencies as a new asset class and put in a regulatory framework, which is all we're asking for, really. And if an institutional investor wants to invest in cryptocurrencies, they currently have a problem. Where do you send the order to buy? There's a lot of speculative value in cryptocurrencies, so there's currently no way to lower the volatility. Proper regulation is the only way to lower that risk. And I mean, there's really no way to answer this question right now because it's based on what you can afford to lose. The volatility is crazy. You may profit a lot from it real quick, you know, sometimes, and then on days like this, if you're holding Bitcoin and you see something, you know, I keep hoping I'd look back and see it trying to rally or anything. Let me switch out of this view. I prefer looking at it in the 4-hour time frame. So right now it does look like it's breaking my support line, and I can only hope it just consolidates over here while we have a breather. You know, we need a breather in this. Where were we? The website also adds that until now, cryptocurrency trading has been unavailable to financial institutions, but blocktrade.com will be the first trading venue fully regulated under the MiFID 2 framework. Furthermore, the platform is able to process more than 1 million trades per second, and the performance is being improved every day. So there's going to be a link into this in the details section of the video. I mean, feel free to check it out, and I'd love to hear your comments and let me know what you think about having regulated exchanges. And by regulated exchanges, I mean all their books are out. This isn't about privacy, this is about doing business. So let me know what you think about that. Now, Binance, everybody loves Binance, I think. Binance partners with Libra Credit to offer crypto-backed loan. Binance announced a partnership with decentralized global lending platform Libra Credit that will allow BNB holders to access fiat and cryptocurrency loans to borrowers that pledge Binance BNB tokens as collateral. Now, this for me was a strong move because, one, it actually puts a lot of value on your BNB tokens if you know you can do this with them. So I was curious. I actually wanted to see what BNB tokens were going for today, and I checked. Binance coin is number 17 on CoinMarketCap and is going for $13.74 right now, which is quite good. And you can see Binance right now is recording a 2.15% rise after this information. So basically, these guys are saying their partnership is going to address liquidity and allow users to collateralize their cryptocurrency holdings to establish loans within the Libra platform. It goes live in third quarter 2018. The Libra Credit platform is basically going to make it easier to convert crypto assets into traditional assets such as gold, stocks, bonds, real estate. So it says they currently operate a payday loan platform with a loan book value of over $850 million. That's a lot of loans. They also went on to say that the new partnership is notable for the opportunity it presents to facilitate a cryptocurrency market equivalent of securities lending. And that's all we have for today, folks. So do me a favor, if you like this video and you like this kind of content, do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button so you can catch my videos as they drop. My name is Majesty Ibiang and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.